Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillahirrabbilalamin. We meet again in Mastercam X5 series. Now I will try to explain in English because I have a question from my friend in India using my FB Messenger. I have no detailed information about this dimension, but you just give me the dimension of the circle using 15 millimeters radius. Okay, I will try to draw it first. First, I will use a rectangle here, maybe for about 100 and minus 70. And I will make this line to be used baseline of the circle using 15 radius. Okay, like this maybe. And I will trim this because this unnecessary line. Okay, then I will move here, maybe just 5 maybe. Or H maybe. Yes, a slight same. And I add the length. Okay, first I will translate this using X form translate with Z maybe for about 20. It's okay. Oh, it's more, minus 25 maybe. Okay, uh, Z, uh, I will use dynamic X form here in Y axis. Then we use 90 degree, just like this. Okay, then I will extrude this line with extended point here. Okay, may in the same condition with this, hopefully. A stock setup, all solid. Okay, then we can use surface high speed toolpath. Of course, this is not the only way you can use it, but I offer this to you. When you have any question, you can ask me a question again in my FB Messenger, of course. Activate, yes. Then select drive surface here, press enter. Containment, use this line. Okay, approximate starting point from here. Okay, select library tool. Maybe you can use flat and mill 10 or another dimension. Okay, and make sure the length of this tool is capable to be used in your machining process. Okay, Then cutting parameter stock to leaf, I will make a 0 because there is no finishing process in this surface here. There's just one process. Then step down, I take a 1 millimeters and press OK. Wait for the second. Now we have this tool path here, and we have the same problem here. We have a problem to make this surface smoother. I will verify it first and then play. Okay, the problem is in this side. Okay, then we can use another tool, but before you use another tool, make sure this parameter, this tool will be changed by click this box here, force tool chain, and we can give a command, maybe top machining. Okay, then I will finish this surface using surface finish, flow line, activate, then select. By selecting the face, activate solid selection. Use this, make sure this icon is selected, then uh, click here, press enter and enter again. We can check it. Okay, that's the correct. Click OK. Then you can use your ball and a ball mill, okay, with your own diameter, maybe 10 millimeters and corner radius 5. Then give the parameter fit rate, maybe just 1000, bang rate maybe 600, and spindle maybe 150, 1500, and number of flute depend on your own. Then click OK. Okay, if you want to have a smoother surface, you must keep this number smaller. Maybe you can use 0.1 or smaller than that, and then you can use tip limit for about 16. Okay, this is 15 and 16 is below the point. Okay, click OK and then press OK. Wait for the second to make a toolpath. Okay, select all and then regenerate all selected operation, because we have 30 operation here. Then we can verify selected operation.
Okay, if your machine does not support automatic tool shifter or tool changer, you have to give M code between these two processes. I will pause selected operation first and wait for the second. Okay. Okay, this tool number one, and then the next tool is uh, in this line. So change this code M01 to be M00 and give one line again in order you have time to change your tool. Maybe line number 1521, same condition, M00, and you can delete this line. Okay, that's all explanation about your question. Hopefully it help you even just a little, and thank you very much for watching this video. Inshallah we will meet again in next video. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.